Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the top charts and top lists on the Vivino application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the top lists button down below that you can find in the left side corner of the screen. Here you can find the top charts in your selected region or country. As you can see, best one is under 4,000 forints, best one is between 4 and 8,000 forints, and if you are interested in any of these, tap on the relevant one. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see the best buys under 4,000 forints, or your selected list. Here you can find them numbered, and you can get to know them by tapping on the relevant one you are interested about. Here you can find the picture of it. The ratings can be seen. If you scroll down, you can see the summary of it, highlights, facts, taste characteristics, and so on. So that's how you can browse among the trending wines in your region. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.